100G for short, or 100 gigabit Ethernet, is a protocol that is the kind of next step in the evolution of bandwidth for networks and for users of large scale bandwidth. It's kind of a progression from the 10 gig E level that was kind of rolled out in production in the industry about 10, 11 years ago now. And it's an important kind of step in regards to density as well as capacity that the larger scale networks and kind of users of the internet need to have today. 100 gigabit does a couple of things for the industry. Certainly provides additional bandwidth and just overall scope and scale for the internet, which is, I think a fairly obvious reason why that's important. But it also provides a number of benefits from a capital and a cost perspective, and what the different companies that are leveraging that higher speed of bandwidth can do in regards to cost considerations for their businesses. For a number of years across the internet, the biggest users of bandwidth have been basically video or anything to do with video and video applications. So companies like Netflix, Hulu, those types of guys, certainly even down to broadcasters who are using video as part of their distribution now. And the term OTT, or over the top, becomes very common within the industry as well. And as those groups have had more and more users sign up for their service, not just domestically in the US, but globally, the demand for higher levels of bandwidth and higher levels of capacity have become, kind of go hand in hand with that growth. NTT has deployed 100 gigabit Ethernet across the global IP network for about 3.5 years, and it's pretty much everywhere at this point. There are a couple small spots where it isn't, but by and large, it's been something we've had in the network initially in the United States, and then we moved across the oceans and into both of the other continents that we serve. A lot of our customers have really started deploying it aggressively over the last 18 to 24 months as well, and we've seen a big uptick in that penetration, which makes sense. It's kind of a linear progression for us to deploy it first on the network, and then for our customers to start wanting to deploy it as well. So from an end user perspective, 100 gigabit Ethernet is an important thing because it provides them just a much better overall experience. The bandwidth they're receiving from the large scale users is going to come down to them better. And as almost any company in the internet is using end user experience as their primary metric for success and what allows their company to be successful in what they're doing.